Dissociative disorders are mental health conditions that involve disruptions or breakdowns in a person's memory, awareness, identity, or perception of their surroundings. These disorders can manifest in various ways, including dissociative amnesia, dissociative identity disorder, and depersonalization or derealization disorder. While dissociative disorders may stem from traumatic experiences, they often serve as coping mechanisms for individuals facing overwhelming circumstances. Understanding these disorders is essential for accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment. Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, we'll explore dissociative disorders. If you like the content of this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel. So let's get into it. Dissociative amnesia. Dissociative amnesia is characterized by the sudden or gradual loss of important personal information or memories, usually associated with a traumatic or stressful event. People with dissociative amnesia may experience a complete inability to recall specific incidents or even their entire past. In some instances, these individuals may create new identities or adopt fictitious backgrounds to fill the gaps. Dissociative identity disorder. Dissociative identity disorder, formerly known as multiple personality disorder, is perhaps one of the most sensationalized dissociative disorders in popular media. It involves the presence of two or more distinct identities or personality states that take control of an individual's behavior, memory, and consciousness. These identities often emerge as a means of managing overwhelming emotions or trauma. Transitions between personalities can occur suddenly, accompanied by significant personality changes, memory gaps, or even changes in physical appearance. Depersonalization or derealization disorder. This disorder is characterized by persistent feelings of detachment or detachment from oneself or one's surroundings. People affected by this condition often describe feeling as if they are observing themselves from the outside, as though in a dream or detached from reality. These symptoms can be distressing and interfere with daily life, causing difficulty in forming and maintaining relationships or engaging in normal activities. Though dissociative disorders may exhibit similar symptoms such as memory loss, identity disturbances, or feelings of detachment, the underlying causes and severity can vary significantly among individuals. Generally, dissociative disorders result from traumatic experiences, particularly during early childhood, which overwhelm an individual's capacity to cope or integrate their experiences. The Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, or DSM-5, provides criteria for diagnosing dissociative disorders. A qualified mental health professional will assess the individual's symptoms, medical history, and trauma exposure to make accurate diagnosis. Treatment for dissociative disorders typically involves a combination of psychotherapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, and medication if necessary. The aim is to help individuals better understand and manage their symptoms, develop healthier coping mechanisms, and integrate their dissociative experiences into a more cohesive sense of self. It is crucial to remember that dissociative disorders are real and valid mental health conditions. They often arise as a means of survival when confronted by unbearable circumstances. Sensationalized portrayals in media or societal misconceptions can perpetuate stigma and prevent individuals from seeking help or receiving appropriate support. It is vital to foster an environment of compassion, understanding, and acceptance for those living with dissociative disorders. Through education, increased awareness, and destigmatization, we can create a more inclusive society that supports individuals in their journey towards healing and recovery. So that's it for this video. If you're looking for quality mental health resources, please visit my Etsy shop. The link is provided in the description box below. Once again, if you like the content of this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified when the next video comes out. As always, thanks for watching.